Hey, what's up? This is Mrs. Williams again. A couple people have been encountering issues with Gradpoint. This is a Gradpoint issue that's occurring nationwide. It's going to be fixed hopefully by the beginning of first quarter. But in the meantime, we're going to have to deal with little glitches and bugs going on. This is an example of one of the glitches and bugs that's going on with Gradpoint. And that is, you're going to see this with language arts classes, I think, but in other classes as well. Here I am. I'm in language arts 10, quarter 1. I'm just in the first module or first lesson. At the introduction, I'm scrolling through here. I look and I see, okay, I can click next to go to the next slide. I read this. Click next to go to the next slide. I hop on here. I read this. And look, my next button won't let me go through. The reason why that is because Flash Player is slowly petering out on us, and it will be completely petered out on us by 2021. Okay, you can't scroll past, you can't navigate past this right now because you can't see any buttons, right? You scroll down, there's nothing. You hit save and close, it does nothing, okay? This is what you do. There's an invisible button. You're going to go up here where the button should be, and you're going to move your cursor around until, bam, you see how it changed like that? The cursor changed to something like this. Okay, that means that there's a button there, you just can't see it. So you're going to click on it, bam, check that out. Now it's navigating through there. Right, you're going to read all this, you're going to click on through, so you can't click no more down there. You can go back, by the way, too. Once again, there's another invisible back button. Okay, you're going to go forward and forward and forward until, look at this. Now this next button is clickable up here. Bam, we're cooking with gas, all right? Now, look at this. Nothing is loading on this for me. I don't know if it is for you. I don't know. Oh, I think that's just going to move you back, unfortunately. I don't know why it is the way it is, but you're going to have to skip it. I don't know. I'm going to be super lenient on grading things, on helping kids move past on this, but just so you know, at least knowing where the invisible button is going to help you move forward through the class. So once again, this page isn't loading. I don't know why it's not, and we're just going to have to deal with it this quarter, I guess. So, but what's nice is the next page for sure loads. So, I guess read what you can, and you get the benefit of a super lenient teacher because of this. So, I guess that's your silver lining. Okay, let me know if you're experiencing any other problems. Just send me an email or call me, and I can do a video on that too. Okay? Good luck.